Whew. All right, you guys. So what we're at now is the wiring stage. I replaced the that horrible belly bottom with a nice stainless steel thing. That's going to go over the spare tire, and they had this tin piece under there, and that was all that was protecting the world from the elements, insects, anything could crawl in. So anyway, the wiring, running at about $2 a foot. Some of it's even more, like $2.68 a foot. I'm running through the frame out to the liquid propane tanks. I'm running this line here, which is a four line, super heavy duty, 4-line coming up here. That is going to go to a tank monitor. It's got 4 lines, so I can go tank monitoring and something else yet to be decided. So I've got 2 wires that can do whatever they want. Here I have a 6-pin LED kind of idea that I had, or speakers, you know. So I'm running that. That's the one on the right. The one on the left, I've got a ton of that. Super nice, super expensive. I think I got like, I don't know, 150 feet of some of it, but about $500-600 worth of wire altogether. I'm running, it's on my own dedicated line over here, 12 volt to potentially a distribution channel, box, and to lay out different effects. That way I don't have to bomb off of lines inside the old lines, all brand new, fresh. So essentially what I could do here is I could power the entire Airstream by these underbelly wires if I wanted to. So if there's ever anything that doesn't feel right or you need an extra wire somewhere here or somewhere there, it's there and it's all brand new. And it's super expensive and shielded. It's not like I've seen other people with their Airstreams and they just run this kind of wire right here in the walls. This is the heavy duty shit. And by the way, to give you an indication, this, which I spray over to ultimately protect it, that way it lasts years. This not only makes the entire, listen to how solid that is. I can stand on this. Before, if I stood on it, I'd go straight through. This stuff is strong and it works really well. And it is expensive. Figure each square is about $7, okay? So, because you need a couple of cans. One can just does not fill a whole square. So, you do the math. The whole trailer has been foamed up and has now, as a consequence, become a hugely, really strong, really well insulated, like, I don't know what the word is, membrane, if you will. But then after that, we're going with this rock wool, which is incredible stuff, by the way. A fire retardant. You can throw a cigarette in there and it'll go out. So the whole thing. This is all fire retardant as well. I mean, underneath my furnace, the orange stuff, you can put a blowtorch to it and it won't ignite. So that's just for safety precautions. Not that this is inflammable either. But I mean, that stuff is super, super cool. And I think once the rock wool goes on top of all of this, and our subflooring, that beautiful subflooring, goes on top of that, we are going to be ready for the next phase.